Here's how to use the pronouns who and whom. The word who is a subject. It appears before verbs and prepositions. For example, who did you go with? Or, who are your friends? The word whom is an object. It appears after verbs and prepositions. For example, you went to the park with whom? Or, you saw whom? Or, you received that gift from whom? Sometimes you will see the word whom appear at the beginning of a sentence. For instance, whom did you see? But this is an informal way of saying, to whom did you see? How to use I and me. I and me are pronouns. I is a subject pronoun. Say, John and I are going to the movies. Don't say, John and me are going to the movies. Me is an object pronoun. Say, Sandra is meeting Kevin and me at the park. Don't say, Sandra is meeting Kevin and I at the park. How to use your and your. Your is a contraction for you are. For example, you're going to take the test on Tuesday. Your is a possessive pronoun. For example, this is your exam booklet. Or, your exams will be marked on Thursday. Hope this helped you, and remember to like and subscribe for more lessons.